Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the Copilot license in your tenant and admin privileges. Once confirmed, make sure users who need access are licensed. This avoids rollout failures later. Next, sign into the team's admin center and locate Copilot or similar AI feature controls. Click to begin enabling the capability at the org level so the service is provisioned. This first step provisions backend services. Without it, user assignments and policy configuration won't take effect. Once done with org provisioning, configure detailed policies. Create a Copilot-enabled Teams policy that sets allowed features and consent boundaries. Make sure to attach compliance labels and data access controls to prevent sensitive data exposure. This determines what Copilot can read and generate. Then perform a staged rollout. Assign the policy to a pilot group first to validate behavior. While piloting, monitor audit logs and feedback. If everything works, gradually expand assignments. Staged rollout. Final steps. Assign the approved Copilot policy broadly and confirm users have updated Teams clients. Many new features require the latest desktop or mobile app. Advise users to sign out and sign in or clear the Teams cache to force policy refresh. Then validate functionality by testing queries and document access. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: recheck license assignment and the feature's rollout state in the admin center. Then review audit logs for denied data permissions so you can pinpoint and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.